afternoon to all quilt fans! Today I want to show you a block called Magic Triangle. I saw this block a few years ago and I really liked it, and today I'd like to show you how it is sewn. For this block we will need 6 pieces of fabric of different colors. I have such plain dyed fabric. By the way, for those who is interested, I bought it on AliExpress. The fabric is very good, of nice density and does not crumble. The only thing you probably need to do is to soak it in water to prevent shrinking. I will leave the link to the AliExpress store under the video. So, I have 6 pieces of multicolored fabrics and 1 square of dark fabric. Its size is 4.5 to 4.5 inches. And we will also need such a template, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So, to draw the template, we need a sheet of paper. We first draw a line following the middle line of our template. Now let's draw a perpendicular line and mark 2.5 inches on it. 1.25 inch here and 1.25 inch here. Then you go down and set 8.25 inch and also draw here a perpendicular line and then set there another 1 inch. Finally, let's connect the set marker points and cut out the draft. Our template is ready. If you want to sew a smaller block, you can build such a template leaving a 10-degree wedge and setting the height you need. The template is ready. Let's cut it out. Then we take a piece of fabric, lay out the template, draw and cut it out. We need to cut 6 such pieces, each of different fabrics. And I have also prepared a black 4.5 inch square. Now we will sew them in pairs, this and this. I fold it like this and stitch them. Then we sew 3 pairs all together. Look what we got when we sewed our wedges all together. Now we need to check whether we got a necessary 60-degree angle. For this, you can use the markings like those on the rack. Here is my 60-degree line. Here is another line, and I lay my block to this and these lines. The lines coincide. If your lines go beyond, just cut off the excess. You can also use a triangular 60-degree ruler, for example. Just put and measure. Now turn over our block, take a ruler and cut it from corner to corner. The ruler should lay perpendicularly to the block to match these lines. Let's check that everything is perpendicular and cut it from corner to corner. Now we measure 6.5 inches from this point and draw a perpendicular line again. We cut it off. Now we take a square of dark fabric. Remember that the sides are 4.5 inches. Let's sew it to this part and cut it off like this. We lay the ruler to this line and cut off excess, and then do the same with this side. And now our magic triangle block is ready. In the process of sewing we got such leftovers. You know, they can also be used. So don't get upset, don't throw them away, and I will definitely show where you can apply them in one of the next videos. Now look which great patterns you can lay out of this block.